Yeah, Widow's not gonna do much against quad tank.
Unless you think Zarya twice.
Just do okay. So just in case, it's going to be super important to keep our Moira alive, namely. So it's going to be D.Va's job to immediately harass Widow. Like I think that just has to happen before we get while we're on point.
We should also make use of the Rhine shield because we have one.
Yeah, though I think for the most part, Ryan's going to be focused on the rest of the team. So D.Va for Widow, Ryan for the rest of the team, Hog. The rest of the team's just going to have to fight head on. We just need that to happen.
Alright, so I think the best way to play Reinhardt is to roleplay Reinhardt. Let's do this.
Wait, which part? Reinhardt after he gets his eye gouged, or
No, before.
No, I think after. He learned a valuable lesson, but I like
For
that.
honor!
Alright, let's come down this way.
Glory!
guys down.
Down. We here. Alright. Speed boost on your mark. Alright, Tracer sees us. They know we're
3,
here.
2,
Go.
speed. Widow. There's a Widow. We need that Widow dive on. On our Moira. That's okay.
I'm dead.
That's okay.
Widow top left.
No, we need to get out.
No, you need to kill people. Okay, now you're
No, we need to
gonna
get out. We're already 2 down.
Yeah, when you're 1 down, it's something else, right?
But we were demac'd and Zarya was dead.
Fair enough.
I count that as dead.
Okay, so that's their positioning for this map.
We
Go
probably
through
have to get off the quad tank.
go right. We're gonna go up the stairs on right. 3, 2, speed right.
This will restore you.
Tracer's down there.
Widow. Taking shots. Alright, what are we doing?
Downstairs.
Restoring.
This way.
Oh, the forest flank.
Get into position.
Never mind. I don't want to waste that this time. We'll do it next push.
My will.
Yes. Get Tracer on the point. Tracer on the point.
Widow's down.
Tracer no recall. She's very low. I'm dead.
I hooked her, but I didn't realize. Chris is dead.
Focus the wrist low.
Hog's dead. Chris is dead.
More.
No, it looks like 2 are down. Should I bother
There's one.
coming in or no?
No, more. We got this.
Winning.
Alright.
worry, I got it.
I'm here. I'm taking space. No, wait. Lucio, stay on point. No.
Yeah, sorry, I was just healing real quick.
I'll be up here.
I got long spawn. Hold it.
Captured.
It's okay.
Scott,
I am ready to activate the sound barrier.
Get into position. Injured again.
Hog behind.
What's okay? I'll come for you, Hog.
Position.
Tracer's still trying to take pokes at us.
All right, group up. We need to deal with the team. I'm gonna make a speed boost at 5 seconds.
Hold on. I don't have my barrier. Ooh, nice.
Speed boost 3, 2, speed. Get in there, Ryan.
Hog.
Alright, I got rid of Roadhog. Sorry, it was a proper moment to use my ult. Get the bongo. Damn.
Bongo.
Yes, bongo down.
There's a jump at a high ground. D.Va, can you go for that?
Jump is on low ground now.
Okay.
Yeah, Zen's in the health room. He's in the small thing. Thank you.
Get out.
Hardware group.
I got grabbed, and
we
I'll
should
probably
go
get
this
off
way.
of Zarya.
Alright.
Yeah, I like this idea.
We can go grab full hug. Unless I get hooked or something.
Game on.
You won't get hooked. I promise it. Just don't show them yet.
They don't have a D.Va either. Yeah, that's fine. This is a good plan.
Payload start. Let's
Are we
go.
rest it?
Everybody,
You ready?
once we go through that door, I'm gonna speed boost.
Yes. Alright, I'm coming. Let's go.
Speed. Let's get in position.
Into position.
There's a jump guard on high ground.
Tracer behind. She murdered me.
Ryan.
Tracer behind. Tracer killing everyone.
Tracer, no recall.
Tracer, no
Bomb
bomb.
Go in there, Ryan. Go in there. I'm speed boosting you.
I can't. I have no health. I'm dead.
Perhaps a new method.
That Tracer killed everyone, man.
We're getting out of there.
I'm getting off of this hero.
Oh, they're staggering her.
I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Go junk. I feel like junk would be good. Or Slumber too, yeah.
Okay.
This will
Somebody's
heal
fine.
you.
There we go.
Yeah, let's just wait. Let's just wait. We got time. Almost have another massive Earth Shatter coming up for you guys.
Sweet.
So what's the Sombra gonna be doing? What's the game plan with the Sombra first?
I'm just gonna hack the Rhine. And then we're gonna.
Okay.
They pushed us up.
Sure you don't want to gank the
This
junk
way.
rat,
This way,
maybe.
this way, this way. Let's go right. Let's go
I
right.
can if you want.
Okay, follow Ryan, follow Ryan, follow Ryan, follow
Come
Ryan.
this way. Come this way.
Everyone follow
No.
Ryan. Why are y'all not?
Low Slumber's cover.
Okay, fine. Here, get over here, Ryan.
Nope, I'm up.
Seemingly made.
Hog
What
hack.
the hell?
Okay.
No, dude, what the hell?
Holding my ult. I'm dead.
Get the tracer, tracer half, tracer half.
Damn.
Rhine hacked.
Alright, just fall back.
Nope, later.
Alright, I have an idea. I have my Earth Shatter. We're gonna rotate and hit them from behind with the Earth Shatter and clean up, but we all gotta go at the same time.
Yeah. So left side, you said?
Devices and
Yes, left side.
Yeah. Okay, follow Ryan.
This
You now they
is
want to
my
get
will.
cute and push up, which is perfect.
Okay, everybody, 3, 2, speed. Let's go, 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 go. Follow Ryan, follow Ryan, follow Ryan.
Alright, this junk guy needs to go.
Get closer, get closer.
Injured again. This will restore
No hook, no hook, no hook.
strength.
Damn it.
Moira hacked.
Go in there.
Moira one.
Dead one.
Nice.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Later. Rhine's one. Junkrat now. Kill Junkrat. Kill him. One.
Hog, hog,
One more
hog,
push.
hog.
Time
No,
will
Tracer.
pass.
Tracer. 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 Behind them. Kill him.
Okay, Tracer.
Yeah, focus. I'm fucking trying to get the tracer. Let's go.
I got her.
Moira, Moira,
Hog
go
or
for the
popping
Moira.
off. Hit this hog.
Hog
Yes,
hacked.
hog.
Dead.
Yes,
Time runs
let's go.
short.
Get the
We
Ryan.
must increase our efforts.
I'm gonna get shattered maybe.
Watch out for hammer down.
Yeah.
Good call, good call.
Rhine hacked.
Nice,
left.
nice.
Moira
Ult.
half, Moira half.
This will heal you.
Tracer behind our payload, our lines. I'm on her.
This will improve your
Okay.
condition.
She's running away.
She's coming behind you, hobos.
I got it. Watch out for pulse bomb. Watch out for pulse bomb.
Hog. He's half.
Tracer hacked. Yep.
Dead. Ryan.
Down.
I can't get on. They're ulting us off.
I will draw the strength from our body.
Not bad, I mean.
That was so silly. The hog ulted, jumped on top of my head, and just walked past me.
1-0. Switching sides.
Wait,
Why
why'd they
did we-
restart it?
I don't
So
know.
that they can do a full push on offense.
Welcome to Blizzard World.
So what do we want to do?
Let me run this time.
There's still a high chance of a Widow offense also.
Select your hero.
Wait, we're attacking again?
Oh, they need to switch that.
Yeah.
There they go.
There we go.
Okay. You want Rhino or Risa?
Ryan,
What's your
Ryan's
feeling?
fine. I kind of like. What do y'all think about copying their method and taking behind point?
We can do that.
Okay, I think
What
Orisa
if
have to.
What if we use a Maywall and get an Orisa Bastion set up in that place behind point?
That'll only work once.
That sounds super gimmicky
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
Like we can use a Maywall to get them up there too.
Yeah, but only for one fight, and then
Yeah, it's a one fight use. It's too much commitment.
and then like you definitely lose the second fight.
Silver, go Reaper.
I'll be watching
You
over
got it.
Look after yourselves out there.
I know that I'm playing an Ana into a Winston, but I'm risking the biscuit.
Stick next to me, and that's gonna be
Attackers
lunch.
Incoming.
Yeah.
Well, for me anyway.
Where does it fall? Damage amplified.
So no, it's not gonna do. I'll sit here.
I'm super holding right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit next to you, Cal. I'm gonna be your personal bodyguard. I'm gonna try to keep you alive.
I'm sticking through the Orisa for the most part.
Soon enough.
It's gonna be my job. You and Grandma. I'm gonna keep you guys alive.
Greetings.
If we get Dovon, we should drop down a point and brawl it there.
3,
Understood.
2,
Let's do that.
Attackers
Zarkon
incoming.
prefers close range duels.
Defend objective
What the fuck is my cursor doing?
Is it like above your crosshair? That happened to me yesterday.
Yeah, there's a cursor on my crosshair right now.
That happened to me
It's
too.
the overlay.
You have a top left.
Schaden verstärkt.
Might be trying to do a
Left
full
side, left
rotate
side, left
behind
side. I
us.
saw peek, I saw peek.
Yes, they did a full rotate behind us. They're trying to get up on our high ground.
Let me get you patched up.
One is on a point.
Ah, shit.
Your support
Hog on
Sorry,
point.
one.
Zarya 1, Zarya 1, Zarya 1.
never die.
Oh,
Focus hog.
focus Moira.
Dead.
Moira on point. Moira on point. No fade. No fade.
She's almost dead. I need help.
Diva's frozen. Use her for ult charge.
Diva, Diva,
On
Diva.
my face.
Just get this Diva.
Diva low, Diva half. Oh,
She's dead.
oh
There we
god.
go.
Good kill, good kill.
Dude, I froze
They're
her like
pushing up.
freaking 10 times just now.
engaged.
Alright, let's go back to the high ground, okay?
Yeah, reset. We're gonna need. Let's see. I guess Silver, you're gonna be the one looking out for that again.
I saw
Yeah.
it the first time. They peeked right there where I'm
Let's
shooting.
get you back
So-
out.
Because that's
Okay.
what I wanted to do to them. I think they're
They're
gonna
gonna-
try it again. I don't know.
They're gonna peek there again, probably.
Or they might try to peek right side because I do see them with the choke still.
Let's say try that again. Oh, they have a Pharah now.
They're right side.
Alright, they're right on point.
You needed a doctor?
Drop on point mark.
I will watch over you.
Far low.
Right now.
You should be at peak performance.
Oh god. I gotta
Bait them on the point. Bait them on the point. Bait them on the point.
I gotta
I'm
lose you.
Bring them on the
Sorry, no
point.
personal.
Purples, kill him.
Sorry, he's dead.
Hog.
Hog low.
He's Hog dead. Lucio dead.
How close to let's see, we got Blizzard. Next push. Let's count. Hey, do we want to do a
Combo
counter
Blizzard
push?
dead charge.
Let's try to do a counter. Stay on point directly. Let's try to see if we can counter push him
I'm
with
taking
Blizzard.
care of you.
Yeah, they don't have a Diva anymore.
Lean right here, and let's try to Blizzard as soon as we can. EMP Blizzard.
Zarya left side. Yep, they're all left side. Here, I can EMP this.
Yeah, EMP
Yeah,
Blizzard.
EMP Blizzard.
Purple on Ryan, focus Ryan.
Let's get you back
Lucio's in
out
this room. Lucio's
Yeah, he's
staggered.
all alone.
He has ult.
Got him. Alright, I have Death Blossom.
Okay, that Nano Blossom is a go.
needed a doctor.
Back on high ground, back on high
Ironically,
ground, back on high ground.
ironically, it seems we're doing far better with the Mei comp.
It is working.
They're still
We
running
are
triple
seeing
tank into
it.
Reaper in May, yeah.
60 seconds.
Sounds like they're coming.
We could
They're
actually
coming.
pull
Right
both-
side, right
Ryan
side.
hacked.
Yep.
Ryan
Get in
hacked.
there, Reaper.
I'm here.
Get you patched up.
Nice wall,
Ryan
dude.
has ult. Ryan has
Bong wing.
Oh jeez.
Ryan on me, Ryan down, Ryan behind. Focus Ryan with the.
Like,
Sorry,
I
I'm
saw her, but
walked up to our Ana and killed her with his hammer.
Yeah,
That was
I
not good.
did.
And he
I
was
missed.
hacked even.
they beat it, so it was hard to kill anything.
Healing stream
I'll take high
engaged.
ground.
You want me to switch or stay Reaper?
30
It's working.
Yeah, no, they're still running triple tank. Until they get off, we can do this.
You needed a doctor?
Objective lost.
Answer to the fire, though.
Stop the pain.
Why?
Yeah, that's gonna be Orisa mostly.
I keep hitting the signpost.
I cannot kill the fire, dude.
You just gotta threaten her. You
Ryan
don't gotta
hacked.
kill her. Nice.
Nah, it doesn't matter.
Alright. Hold right.
Damage.
What's up?
My ultimate is charging.
Beacon.
Do you think you can hack that far consistently? Oh god. Shield,
Mercy's
barriers,
hacked.
please.
I got him. They're coming right side.
Sleeping McCree.
He's dead. Oh, Lucio down. They're down on Lucio. Watch out for the hammer down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
make good on your barriers.
Damn, I'm dead.
Right left side, no shot. Oh, no shield.
Far hacked.
He's gonna watch
Behind,
their
far behind.
Pharah's behind.
Oh,
Alright, we need a hit scan.
Yeah, that has to happen now.
You needed a doctor?
I'll go Zen, also to make sure this works.
Alright.
Feeling spry.
Much better.
Got him.
Big.
Focus Discord Ryan, Ryan low.
I'm dead.
Discord, diva.
They got
Alright, let's get over here. We need to get out of here. Discord, Lucio, run.
Yeah, cause they
Run.
just spawn.
Discord
We
fire,
just
Discord
spawn.
fire.
Get on me, get on me.
Run, everybody, run. Hold this corner hard. That fire is gonna peek.
Yeah, I got. There was nowhere for me to go. Holy shit.
I got booped into the team. We're really close to supercharger. We gotta stick on the right side. I'd say go Ryan at this point, but let's wait for the ult.
Alright.
I'm gonna EMP
Oh
this.
my god. You're gonna.
We still need you.
Alright, EMP whenever.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm dead.
Discord Ryan, Ryan low. Discord diva.
Your support has arrived.
Far, half.
Where does it hurt? Damage boost engaged. You needed a doctor?
Okay, yeah, never mind. Hey, watch out for a hard left flank. They're definitely gonna play for it. So
I will look for it.
Healing stream.
here, let's hold this corner. See this corner right here? Let's hold this corner.
No, they're not going for it. They're rushing straight up.
Okay.
They have a Genji. I have visor.
Genji hacked!
I'm taking care of them.
Did we get the shield dead?
Oh, fuck me.
Working
I'm dead.
Healing you.
Diva's almost out of mech.
Focus shield if you can. Focus shield. Discord
Another
Gengu.
flag?
You needed a doctor?
Get that McCree out of.
Second
God,
Genji
he
on
was
the
so
side.
low and then he just like went
Genji
off.
on me. Another flag. Dead.
Ah, what?
Yeah,
over here,
I'll
get
go
over
back
here.
to it. Oh, big freeze.
Its destination.
No matter. Big freeze. Oh, huge freeze.
Go get McCree. Alright, McCree down.
Lucio hacked.
Damage amplified.
Tactical necessity.
30 seconds remain.
We just gotta get one more pick and we're
Hey
good.
guys, let's hold this corner. Hold this corner right here. This will give this means that they can't actually flank us if we hold this spot.
Right here, where I am.
Yeah, right here,
So
right
you have
here.
an EMP
This
here?
is the least. Mercy over here.
This is a good spot.
You guys ready?
I'm taking care
Ready
of
for an EMP? 4,
Yeah.
Yep.
Second ball.
2,
Now.
1.
Discord diva. Get D-Mac diva.
Yes.
Ryan.
Miss.
Ryan low. Ryan half.
Genji
Ryan
hacked.
half.
Genji hacked.
Focus Genji.
They're on me. Shit.
Ow.
This is.
Hey, we almost full health them though, so that's something. I think we're doing really good actually.
Yeah, that was probably our best showing here so far.
0 to 3.
I don't think we're doing bad at all.
Sides.
It seems like our Mei comp is working far better than Dive.
Prepare to
Yeah.
attack.
We're swapping, right?
Select
It's ready.
your-
We're
No,
gonna
I
get
think it's
kicked
already
out.
done because we did the tag
Yeah.
already.
We did attack. What do y'all want then? We did hybrid.